Lori Bales, Professor, School of Theater and Dance.
I am Kevin Long. I'm the artist in residence with the School of Music and the School of Theater and Dance.
What this gives students is a truly professional experience. This isn't an undergraduate experience. They are working on a professional level with professionals. And they're asked to bring their skills immediately and right now. They don't have a lot of time to practice. Sometimes overnight, they learn whole songs. So the professional training, it doesn't get any better than this.
Several students that moved to New York, alumni who are in New York now, are one of the first calls when some of their composers that they met during this workshop need voices to sing something or people to speak, or even do recordings of other material. So it's a really great professional development for lifelong relationships between the students and the artists. Several alumni have told us that it was one of the best experiences they had at Millikin in terms of launching their professional career.